Yo guys, welcome to a new video. So today I will change a few pins from my PC. I will change the 24 pin from my motherboard, also the 4 pin from my motherboard, and the 8 pin from my GPU. So I've ordered them on AliExpress for in the colors orange black, and they've just arrived here, as you can see. So these are the cables, and I ordered them all by the same seller, so that's why they came packaged all together, which is, I mean, they look pretty good to be honest, so I'm happy with them. So with my cables, these two things came on it, which I specifically chose for this one, which they have these, cause they just make your cable look much better. So as you can see, the 24 pin one is connected and it looks pretty good to be honest. And I will connect now the two others. So I just wanted to connect my 8 pin one to my GPU, but then I saw this little thing. So as you can see, I got here this part of my GPU's PCIe cable. Got here, I don't know if you can see it's good, but got this little thing at the side, which and for that is also a hole in my GPU, a small one, but my extension cable doesn't have it, as you can see on the other side. Doesn't have that, so I have to cut that hole myself, and hopefully it will fit then. So let's see. So as you can see, I got now all of them connected, and these two were pretty easy. Only this one took me a bit of work, cause it actually wouldn't fit in my GPU, which I don't know why, but I could have ordered a new one and waited a while, but instead of that I just cut with this little razor blade, just cut the edges off so it would fit. So now it fits and everything works perfectly, and it already looks much better, I think. So that's this upgrade. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.